Hello, beautiful people. Want to know how I went from my braids looking like a hot mess? Ooh, sis, to this? Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's keep going. Hello, good people. So today I'm going to pretty much show you guys how I refresh my braids. So what I did the day before is I washed my hair with the my shampoo and conditioner. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen for you guys soon. So after washing my hair, I did not blow dry it with the blow dryer. I air dried my hair. First I did it with a towel. So this is the day after. So I'm only going to be refreshing the front side of my hair. The middle and the back, not so bad. And even if it is, I'm not really too concerned with it. It's just really the front. So part your hair like I did. And then either you put a scrunchie or you can braid your hair like I did mine. I should have just done a scrunchie, honestly, to save time. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing right now. Parting my hair, separating it, and braiding that side. Okay, so once you have parted the hair, I naturally have a middle part. That's what I asked the hairstylist when she was in my hair. So what I'm going to do first is oil my hair with black castor oil, premium hair oil, superior growth, y'all. So it's always good to oil our scalp and make sure that it's not left dried, because the hair that I do have, it is expression hair and it is synthetic hair. So synthetic hair tends to dry our scalp out, especially for my natural babes like myself. So just go in and make sure you oil your scalp. I'm really just going to focus on the front end of it. And then once I'm done, I'll oil the rest of my hair, including the backside. All right, so now I'm just oiling my hair. Once you're done oiling it, what you'll do now is take your fingers and just massage the oil into your scalp. Yeah, that feels really, really good. So continue massaging your scalp, ladies. So now the party really starts. So what you need is any gel of your choice. I choose Got2b glue. And then of course you have an edge brush or a toothbrush, whatever works for you. For me, the toothbrush is going to work, so that's what I'm going to use. All right, so I'm just going to take some of my Got2b, put it on my wrist to make it easier for me to access. All right. So we're going to start with the front end. As you can see, that looks really, really bad and old. So start by putting your gel at the root of the hair. Take your brush, make the part however way you want it, and begin to form it into that little square space. Once you have that, make a grip and then start twisting. Don't twist too hard, because especially for my ladies with thin edges, don't do too much. Don't twist it all the way, just enough so you have a nice grip from the bottom. All right, so once you have that, kindly take it and put it behind your ears, or if you have a clip, clip it in place. You guys are going to see that I'm going to get my clip soon, but I just want to do a few just to show you guys how I do it. So again, from the root, put your glue and then start twisting it in the direction that you want it to go. So all the hair on the right side, I want it to lay on the right, so I'm twisting it clockwise. Don't worry about the white residue. It's going to come off once it dries. That's one of the reasons why I love Got2b glue. I don't have to worry about the white flakes. See that? Beautiful. So even if you pat it with your hands like that, the white stuff is going to go away. So that's all I'm doing. as I moved on to the other side, I'm doing the same process. So once I'm done twisting, I'm going to take my clip and clip it in the back. It's good for you to clip it in place or take a rubber band and put it in place so that the twist does not unravel. That's very important, please, because you don't want it to be a situation where after you work all that, you put in all that work and then you would twist, the braids start unraveling or twisting the opposite way, because it's going to be wasted time. So if you don't want that, make sure you get yourself a clip or rubber band and put it in place. Again, after you use the toothbrush, you twist, twist, twist in the direction you want it to go. In this case, I want it to lay on my left side. So after I'm done twisting, I then take it and clip it in the back with the rest of the hair so that the twist stays in place. Very, very, very important. All right, so now that we're done with the front part, let's get to the edges, baby. This for all my ladies with thin edges. You guys, you know, I even discovered something. I'm gonna show you guys a secret that I found on how to make our edges grow thicker and stronger. If you're interested, write it down in the comment box because I want to do a whole video on that. I'm currently working on my edges. So once I get the before and after, sis, then I can post that video, okay? But let's lay the edges first and foremost. Very important, okay? It's an art to this, darling. All right, so once the edges are laid, oh, the hair is it's coming together. Just when you think you're done, it's like, oh no, sis. So now that you have the hair looking like this, what we're gonna do next is get ourselves a silk scarf. All right, so now get your silk scarf and then tie it around your edges and the front part of your hair. This is very important. You're going to tie it for the next 10 to 15 minutes. You can even do it overnight, you know, if you have plans or don't have anywhere to go that day. But I did. I had to go to work, so I didn't have the luxury of leaving it on my head for 24 hours. But it'll still work. It still got the job done. After you're done with that, let it sit in. Do your makeup, go take a shower, whatever you need to do. And then, honey, are you ready? Are you sure you're ready for this? If you're ready, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Yes, sis, let's show them. Relax, somebody cannot play with you. All right, Unrivaled family, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Let me know if this is something that you would try. And I also have another method which has to do with the crochet pin for those who do not want to twist their hair. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. And until next time, you do have an Unrivaled day. Bye!